Globally, more than 3 billion corporate access cards are produced every year. Nearly 40% are used only temporarily, creating massive waste, operational cost, and security risk for enterprises. BioAffix NextBadge addresses this structural inefficiency with a platform approach. BioAffix NextBadge replaces disposable credentials with a reusable, battery-free electronic identity that integrates seamlessly into existing access control systems. It reduces operational costs, supports ESG goals, and scales across enterprises, campuses, and high-security environments. Compatible with today's infrastructure, sustainable by design, multifunctional as wanted. Let's take a look at the daily usage scenarios of BioAffix NextBadge. A credential is no longer designed for a single door. It spans an entire day, multiple scenarios, and evolving roles. Access, authentication, and authorization are no longer separate processes, but connected parts of a unified infrastructure. As an e-visible credential, BioAffix NextBadge adapts to how people move, work, and interact across different environments and security levels. A credential is no longer static. It represents identity, role, and real-time information in a single interface. What was once a plastic card created waste, cost, and limitation. With BioAffix NextBadge, identity becomes visible and dynamic. A shift begins with a simple interaction. Roles activate, information updates instantly. The display communicates who someone is, what they do, and what they are authorized to do, and turns the screen into a living communication surface. The same BioAffix NextBadge operates across campuses and corporate environments. It secures entrances through seamless card and biometric verification, while keeping personal data encrypted within the credential itself. It defines authorization in classrooms and laboratories, enables payments in cafeterias, manages access in libraries, dormitories, and sports facilities. Across daily campus movement, one BioAffix NextBadge supports every interaction. Today, organizations do not operate alone. Multiple companies work under the same roof. Each defines its own identities, yet all operate within the host institution's infrastructure. Security levels are determined by need, card-based, or biometric. From cleaning staff to technical teams and suppliers, different BioAffix NextBadges are securely verified on the same system. One shared trust layer. Security is more than passing through a door. It is about making who is where and with what authorization visible across physical and digital spaces. BioAffix NextBadge is not a card. It is a visible, verifiable identity. Access levels are instantly understood through color, name, and photo. When unauthorized access is attempted, intentionally or by mistake, it is immediately noticed, making security a shared responsibility across the organization. The same credential is used for elevators, office doors, computer login, secure print release, and visitor access. In critical environments such as hospitals, the right information must be verified by the right person at the right moment. BioAffix NextBadge forms a unified identity layer integrated with clinical and operational systems. From accessing restricted areas to authorizing medical devices and securely viewing sensitive data, every action is validated through the same credential. Physical identity, digital authorization, and institutional systems converge within one secure architecture. A credential that begins with a student evolves over time. Grades change, photos update, roles grow. The BioAffix NextBadge remains the same, while the information evolves. Time passes, environments change, systems are renewed, yet the same BioAffix NextBadge carries identity forward. Across schools, offices, hospitals, events, and everyday life, it unifies physical and digital verification within a single continuous infrastructure. No new cards are issued. Plastic waste and energy consumption are reduced. BioAffix NextBadge, not a card, but a single e-visible credential that grows with life. BioAffix NextBadge, compatible, sustainable, multifunctional.